Welcome to Marvin Pixels. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this text effect. So, a lot of people have seen many text effects and they'll be thinking like it's done on Photoshop only, but you can also create your own text effect on Pixellab. You just have to put it the right way. Okay, so I'll just be hiding these ones up here. Then I'll be deleting these former ones I created. And this one right here is my spiral. I had to blend it with the background. This spiral right here. I had to blend it with background. Once you have your spiral, you can download any spiral you want, increase it to relative size, then center the position and reduce the opacity to 1 or 2. Reduce the opacity to 1 or 2. Okay, so for the first thing we are going to be doing, we are going to create our text. Okay, since we are creating a mango text effect, so let's type mango. The first letter should be a capital letter, mango. Okay, then we are going to increase the padding. The left padding we are going to leave it at 0, or we should put it at 2. Then we should put the right padding at 6. Okay, we tap the mark button. Then you head over to your curve. You put this one at -5. Yes, you put your curve at -5. That's okay. Tap OK. Then you are going to increase the size. Center it, put as relative position. Okay, so I'm just going to be using the font we are going to be using is vintage free. This font right here, vintage wheel free trial. That's the font we are going to be using. Tap on it. Okay, you can download it on Chrome or any website. Then center it at relative position. Then the next thing we are going to be giving it a stroke of 25. Okay, then we are going to be using this color. Let me give you guys the color code. This color code right here. You can pause the video and write it down. That's the color code for the stroke. Okay, tap on OK. Then we head over to this color, and we are going to be using same color for the color also. I'm going to be using the same color for this one right here. Okay, then after putting your stroke, center it to the position again. These ones are the ones I'm tapping. These two ones here, that's the ones I'm tapping. So center it to the position. Okay, then I'm just going to head over to emboss, enable it. Then you put your emboss at 13 degrees. Then the intensity will be at 56. Just reduce this a bit. 56. Okay, ambient light will be at 100. Your specular hardness will be at 49. Okay, that's right. You can leave the remaining ones the way they are. You should use the same one. Then you go to 3D text. You are going to be creating a 3D text. So enable it, then tap on oblique. Then you reduce it to 1 or 2. Any way you wish, any way you like it. But I'll be leaving it at 1. The color will be at auto. Just leave the color at auto. Then your oblique angle will be at 45. That's the angle for oblique. Anyone that is doing technical drawing will know this. Oblique is at 45. Okay, then your light direction will be at 14. Yes, light angle will be at 14. Okay, then intensity will be at 80. shadow 40 and specular hardness 50. Okay, after I have clicked on okay, then you head over to relative position and center it again. Okay. So we are going to be giving it a shadow. Okay, you enable the shadow, then you'll be giving it not too much black. Let's put this black here. This one right here. This 138 here. Let's put it at 140. Okay, when it's at 140, just leave it that way. Then you reduce the opacity to 55 and blur radius to 11. You tap OK. Again, you center it. Okay, that's that for that. So we've created the bottom part of it. We are just going to work again, duplicate it. After duplicating, we are going to remove the 3D text on this one. We are going to remove the emboss also. We are going to remove the shadow. We'll be using another shadow. Okay. Then the color we are going to be using is a gradient color. Here. For this first one here, we'll be using this first gradient color right here. Okay. For this first color, the color code. This is the color code right here. You can just copy it for the first one. And this darker one that is a bit darker. So this it right here. Okay. Then tap on OK. Then tap on OK. Then we are going to be moving the stroke. We disable the stroke. So next thing we are going to be doing here is we are going to center it to relative position. Now you see we are already getting our effect already. So the next we are going to do is just create a shadow, and this will be the last thing. We create a shadow, put the opacity at 84. And the blur radius at 10. Let me reduce this. Okay, 10. And that's okay. You can just put the offset. You can leave the offset that way. You should put it the way you like. You cannot leave it that way. You should put it the way you like. So here it is. We've created our text effect. I'm just gonna review these ones. You can type these ones yourself. So and for the background, if you want to create the background, you go to your this last panel before the second to the last panel, then click on color gradient, then you click on this one right here, this third one here that looks like a circle and a white. You click on it. For this one, you can invert your background. This is the first background. This is the color code. Please make sure you use this color code to get your real color. This is the color code for the darker one, and this is the color code for the lighter one. You can pause the video and write it down. Okay. Since I'm using this background is okay, but I can also invert it. So I'll just move this one right here. And that's the inverse. It's still giving me a sharper distance. So we are just going to save our image, and please save with custom resolution, save to gallery. And that should be the end of this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also please learn. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll attend to them. Please learn. So this will be the end of my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and this will be the end of the tutorial. Bye for now.